Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Gajar Halwa, also known as Carrot Halwa. So what you'll be needing today is 3/4 cups of milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds, 1/4 cup of butter, 5 to 6 cardamoms, and 2 pounds of shredded carrots. You can either buy it already shredded or shred it yourself like what I have done here. So let's get started. So first what I'll be doing is adding in the butter. Then I'm going to be adding in my cardamom. I have crushed them so the seeds can come out a bit. And now I'm just going to be mixing it until I can smell the cardamom. So now I'm going to be adding in my carrots. The carrots are now going to start releasing a lot of water, so we are going to keep mixing until the water has evaporated. Once the water is evaporated, we're going to be adding half of our almonds. And then we are going to be adding in our sugar. Once you added the sugar, we are going to be mixing it. Just keep mixing until the water evaporates. Do not let it sit because it will burn. So now we're going to be adding in our milk. So now we're going to be going through the same process of mixing it until the liquid evaporates. Make sure that you mix it a lot this time because it's really going to stick. If you find that it's sticking a lot, you can lower the heat of your stove or add a little bit of water. Once the liquid has evaporated, you can turn off your stove and put it into your serving dish. Once you have put it into your dish, you can garnish it with any nuts you like. I'm going to be using almonds. This is a very yummy dessert, and I'm sure anyone you make it for will absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.